Alright guys, you guys are looking at 99 Mustang V6 with American racing rims. I believe they are 16 inches. As you guys can tell, it's a beautiful day in Texas. So we got some good lighting to shoot today. Kind of want to tell you what the project is. So part of this channel is going to be looking at the project, which is this Mustang right here. It's over 20 years old and has taken a lot of abuse. It is my wife's original car, so we're going to take the time to go through the build on it. Of course, we're going to be making this a street cruiser, but we're also going to be using it in different ways, possibly putting it on the track, possibly putting it in some shows. But I wanted to show you guys kind of the baseline of what we got going right now. As you guys can tell, we got the stock exterior. I believe we changed out the headlights about 5 years ago. As you can tell, they are starting to kind of show some wear and tear on them. We got that condensation building up. I believe these rims are about 18 years old. As you can tell, they've been abused quite a bit. I guess the only thing we've been replacing is really the tires. We're going to go through a build. We went ahead and recently started modifying it. I just wanted you guys to kind of get a picture of what it originally looks like. Currently, I would say it's definitely a sleeper, as I'll get into that here in a little bit. Today we're taking it for get a change out done on the throttle body. Exhaust wise, when we turn it on here in a minute, you guys are going to see it does have Flowmaster exhaust. I believe that's the only modification. And here recently, in the last week or so, we went ahead and added shorty headers to it. But here we go. I hope you guys enjoy this channel.